A portable charcoal grill sounds great until you end up with one that's hard to carry, difficult to clean, or just doesn't cook evenly. I tested 5 popular options to see which ones are actually worth taking on camping trips, tailgates, and backyard cookouts. Here's what I found after spending real time grilling with each one.
Product number 1. Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill, 22-inch. When I put the Weber Original Kettle together, the first thing I noticed was how solid everything felt. The porcelain enameled bowl and lid gave it a premium feel, and nothing seemed flimsy or cheaply made. Even though it's larger than some portable grills, I found it easy to move around my patio thanks to its simple design. During testing, it cooked burgers, steaks, and chicken evenly while giving me excellent control over temperature using the adjustable dampers. The cooking grate held plenty of food for family dinners, so I never felt limited by space. My favorite feature was easily the one-touch cleaning system. Instead of scooping out messy ash by hand, I emptied everything into the ash catcher in just a few seconds. If you want a dependable charcoal grill that balances cooking space, durability, and simple maintenance, this is an excellent choice. But if you need something built specifically for traveling, the next grill makes carrying much easier.
Product number 2. Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill 18-inch. When I picked up the Weber Jumbo Joe, I immediately noticed how much lighter and more compact it felt compared to a full-size kettle grill. It was easy to load into my vehicle without taking up much space, which made it perfect for camping weekends. Despite the smaller size, I still had enough room to cook burgers, hot dogs, and vegetables for several people at once. The tuck-and-carry lid lock became one of my favorite features because it kept the lid securely closed during transport and doubled as a convenient lid holder while cooking. Temperature control was simple with the adjustable vents, and the grill maintained steady heat surprisingly well throughout my cook. Cleanup didn't take long either, since there wasn't much ash to remove. If portability is your main priority without giving up authentic charcoal flavor, this grill delivers exactly what most outdoor cooks need. My next pick takes portability in a completely different direction.
Product number 3. Oklahoma Joe's Rambler Portable Charcoal Grill. The Oklahoma Joe's Rambler felt incredibly rugged the moment I lifted it onto my picnic table. Its heavy-duty steel body and cast-iron cooking grates gave it a professional feel that immediately stood out. During testing, the adjustable charcoal tray became my favorite feature because I could easily raise the coals for high-heat searing or lower them for slower cooking without constantly fighting the fire. The cast-iron grates held heat extremely well, producing beautiful grill marks on steaks and burgers. I also appreciated the built-in temperature gauge, especially during longer cooks when I wanted to keep the heat steady without opening the lid. Even though it's compact, I had enough cooking space for a small family meal without feeling crowded. If you enjoy serious charcoal cooking while still keeping your grill portable, this model deserves a close look. Before the final grill, I want to mention one accessory that protected every surface I cooked on.
Product number 4. Fireproof Heat-Resistant Grill Mat. This isn't a grill itself. I ended up using this heat-resistant mat every time I cooked outdoors. The first thing I noticed was how thick and durable it felt, yet it folded up easily for storage after each trip. I placed it under several portable charcoal grills, and it protected picnic tables and outdoor countertops from heat, grease, and accidental charcoal spills. The fiberglass construction handled high temperatures without any problems, giving me peace of mind whenever I cooked on wooden tables. Cleaning it was simple too. After grilling, I just wiped away grease with a damp cloth, and it looked ready for the next cookout. It barely added any extra weight to my gear, so carrying it along was never a hassle. If you regularly use portable grills at campsites, parks, or tailgates, this inexpensive accessory can save your tables from permanent damage. Now let's finish with my favorite portable Kamado grill.
Product number 5. Char Griller Acorn Jr. Portable Kamado Grill. The Acorn Jr. immediately stood out because it felt more like a premium backyard grill than a portable cooker. Even though it's compact enough for camping and tailgating, the triple-wall insulated steel body retained heat incredibly well during my testing. I cooked low and slow one day, then switched to high-heat steak searing the next, and the temperature range handled both jobs without any trouble. The cast-iron cooking grate delivered excellent sear marks while holding heat evenly across the surface. I also appreciated the locking lid and sturdy side handles because transporting it felt safe and secure. Cleanup was much easier than I expected thanks to the easy dump ash pan, which emptied quickly after cooking. If you want a portable charcoal grill that offers serious performance and outstanding fuel efficiency, this is the one I'd recommend for anyone who loves traditional Kamado-style cooking on the go.
Those are my favorite portable charcoal grills after putting each one through real cooking sessions. Whether you're planning camping trips, tailgate parties, or small backyard barbecues, there's a great option here for every budget. Check the links in the description for today's prices, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.